slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RV Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at this pair of Travis Scott Dunks from my boy over at Tianya Shoe Industry. So these took about a week or so to get here with DHL. Ended up having to pay custom fees when it got to my city, or my province rather. So yeah, it usually happens with DHL, at least with me living here in Ontario, Canada. So be aware of that if you're going for that shipping. And yeah, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see though, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications for your boy. Make sure to follow that Instagram link in the description as always at RV Stuff TV. And with all that being said, man, let's really get into this video. So this is, I think, my third pair that I'm reviewing, the best pair that I've received so far. And yes, this is a personal pair of mine. So yeah, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw on the worst pair that I got, not the worst, well technically it is the worst, but the first bad-ish pair I got, that one I actually ended up cutting the bandana print, and it has like a little elephant print underneath. So I posted that on my Instagram story a few weeks ago when I ended up getting that pair. This one I'm just gonna keep like this just because the quality of the print or the quality of the bandana material all around here is proper, just like how it's supposed to be, so it looks nice. Just wanted to do that on that pair because it made it look wearable. But yeah, so let's get into it, man. This is the information for the seller. Website's right there. WeChat is right there. WhatsApp if you want to contact him on that, and then the Instagram is at 229.7093823. I think that's still the updated Instagram. If not, the updated Instagram will be in the description regardless. So because I don't remember, I think his Instagram changed. It might be 22.9 and then the rest of those numbers, but it might be this still. I'm not sure. I think it's this actually. I think it's this, yeah. So should be proper. Anyways, that's the information for the seller. I've had a lot of good experiences with the seller thus far myself, and people who have bought from him via viewing my videos have been pleased as well. So seems to be one of those high rated sellers thus far. Hopefully he doesn't mess anything up. And yeah, let's just get into it. So this came double boxed, bubble wrapped as well. Great packaging on the shipping. This is a box it came in. With most sellers, you can request the other box for this pair of shoes. That's just a regular SB box, but this is a cooler box in my opinion. It's like the official one that was sold on Travis's site. So yeah, the pair with this box is going for a lot more than the pair with the normal SB box on like StockX and stuff like that. So this is what the box looks like. Pretty simple. You got the pink bandana, flannel, brown bandana, and then on top you got the black bandana. And then on this side it just says Nike SB with the flannel, or the plaid, sorry. There's the tag, Nike SB Dunk Low Premium QX Strike, size 12.5. They didn't have 13, but they did have 12.5 on this site. So for all you big shoe wearers, they do have 12.5, which is closer to 13 obviously than 12 is. So I will say these are a lot more comfortable to wear than the first pair I got, which I just wore trying around the house, but they were uncomfortable just being a 12 since I wear 13 usually. I sometimes can fit into a 12, but just didn't happen with that pair, so happy these guys fit. You get the black laces and pink laces as well. They can look kind of gray, but they are pink, kind of similar to this pink color. It's hard to see but on video, but yeah. Get the StockX sticker, and you do also get the StockX paperwork. At least I didn't ask for it and it was included in the order, so yeah. If you want it, you can ask for it, but sometimes it may be given, sometimes it might not. Just ask for it if you want it. That's the best thing. You got the black bandana paper and nothing else really in the box. So closing that up, tossing that to the side. Here are the shoes. I put the little StockX tag on here just to show y'all that it did come with it. I'll take it off though, with this little StockX thing that it comes with. It's pretty cool. It actually has like an invisible little X on it. If you guys can see that in the middle, pretty neat. So yeah, don't even know if that's supposed to be there honestly, because it's like the same size as the one on the back. But yeah, get this little StockX thing, verified authentic. You can put on if you want. It's not officially on. I just put it there. So yeah, it's cool. Just don't be scamming people with that. I don't suggest that, obviously. So here are the shoes. You can see the quality is a lot better, especially compared to the first pair I got. Biggest thing is actually like just the print on the bandana as well, especially. For example, this little oval right here with the little piece missing on this side and this side, you couldn't even see those pieces missing on the other one, just because I don't even know what was up with it. But this isn't even printed, it's actually on the material, so it's not going to rub off either, so which is nice. But yeah, if you guys don't know about these, if you do take an X-Acto knife or something similar, I just used a regular knife. It was a pain in the ass, like it actually hurt my index finger from pulling on this material to try to get it off. But you can actually take this part off. Anywhere you see this bandana material, you can take it off, and it does reveal some nice elephant print underneath. It's just brown or tan elephant print with some black markings, obviously, so pretty neat. Besides that, shoe came clean. You guys can see quality is on point. Got the embossing of the Cactus Jack there, Nike on the back. Suede is nice too, the nubuck over here and over there. Tongue is nice and fat too, so that's good, just like a normal SB should be. On the inside as well, on the first pair that I received, this was actually embedded into the insole, like the print, but it's supposed to be printed saying Nike SB. Shoe size, or size tag rather, is that. You guys can pause that and read if you want. It says Cactus Jack on the inside, which is also printed. You guys can see that. Actually, this might not be printed. Actually, I think it is. So Cactus Jack's printed. There's some lining here, I guess, from when the swoosh was being made. Should probably can rub off. Yeah, it seems to be like you can rub off, so that's good. You got the plaid material here, which is nice, good quality. Nothing really obvious sticking out to me. There might be a little glue stain right here, actually. Nothing crazy, nonetheless. So yeah, got the nice heavy rope laces. These are nice and thick. They feel sturdy, unlike the first pair that I got, which had like flimsy rope laces. So that's another good thing. Got the pink swoosh on this side. Quality's on point. On point. Little glue right there, if you guys can see the color, different colors. Not a big deal, but it is what it is. Could happen on a retail pair just as easily. So got the nice cream bottom, or tan bottom rather. You see the midsole is nice and clean as well. There's not real any discrepancies with the Dunk midsole. So yeah, overall quality of the shoe, no stitching errors I see that are obvious either, so that's obviously good when checking it over. So that's the right shoe. Got the Cactus Jack on the tongue as well. Looks good, looks straight, just like it should be. And yeah, quality is actually really on point on these. I'm a huge fan thus far. There's the left shoe, same thing. Different bandana print. The right shoe should always have this little star on the toe box, I believe. And the left shoe just has regular black bandana all over it. So yeah, there's no markings on this black swoosh, so that's good. But again, that could just be wiped off relatively easily, I assume. No glue marks on this one either. Quality's on point. There's the inside of this one, Nike SB, Cactus Jack. Got some writing on the underneath the tongue, Nike on the back in pink. Got that Cactus Jack embossing all around the heel as well. So yeah guys, this video is already almost 10 minutes, so I'm gonna cut it short here, but the quality on these shoes are nice and solid. No obvious, blemishes, stuff like that, just stuff that could happen to like retail shoes and whatnot. This shoe seems the most accurate of the Dunks I've reviewed so far. I'm probably not going to pick up any more pairs because I got my boy a pair, got myself my first pair, which I wasn't happy with, and then I finally got this pair for myself, which I am a fan of. So let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. Make sure you drop a like on the video, more heat on the way. Subscribe if you're new, all that sort of stuff. Instagram is in the description as always. Turn on notifications, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.